In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to your navigation in Squarespace 7.0. Adding links to your navigation is a crucial element for any website, as it helps guide your visitors to the important areas of your site smoothly. Let's dive right in and break down this process step by step. First, you'll need to open up Squarespace in your web browser and navigate to your site's management interface. Once you're there, take a look at the navigation pane on the left side. This is where most of your site's management options are located, and it'll be our main workspace today. The first thing you want to do is click on Website, which is right there in your navigation pane. This will present you with various sections of your website's backend settings. From here, scroll down a bit until you find the Pages option and click on that. This is where you'll manage all the different pages and sections of your website. Now that you're in the Pages section, take a close look at the current list of pages on your site. Here's where we can start adding a link to your navigation. You'll see an option that says Add, usually represented with a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that. This action will bring up several options, and you'll want to choose Link from this list. Selecting Link sets the stage for us to add a new navigation item to guide your users effectively. Next, you'll need to type in the name of the link. Make it something clear and descriptive so users are better informed about where they'll be directed once they click on it. For demonstration, let's assume that we are linking to a section on your site called Services. You'll simply type in Services in the space provided. After you've named your link, it's time to add the URL you want your visitors to go to. Below the namespace, there's a field for the URL. Here, you can either input your destination manually, or if you're linking to an internal page, there might be a suggestion box to choose from once you start typing. Once everything looks good, the last step is to officially place this link into your site's navigation. Confirm that your link details are correct, then click on the Save button, typically found at the upper right or lower right corner of the interface. This action will secure all your changes and add the new link to your navigation menu. And there you have it, your link should now appear in your navigation. Have a quick look at your site's front end to ensure it's placed exactly where you want it. If not, you can easily go back and reorder it from the Pages section if needed. Congratulations on enhancing your site's navigability by adding a new link efficiently.